protection area for passport control and baggage claim. In order to make your passage through the terminal as quick as possible, please have your travel documents completed and available when you enter the hall. In the customs baggage claim area, smart cards and SkyCap services are available for a fee. If you are transferring to another flight, your check counters are located on your left upon exiting customs. To connect to other terminals, as well as to the New York City subway, Long Island Railroad, rental cars, and hotel shuttles, use AirTrain JFK. Follow the signs of the AirTrain or go to our welcome center, where we can assist you with additional ground transportation information and reservations. Currency exchange counters are located to your right upon exiting customs. For taxis, proceed to the taxi stand just outside of the building, where a uniformed taxi dispatcher will assist you. Please don't accept unsolicited rides from strangers. Uniformed personnel are available to assist you if you have any questions. When we arrive at the terminal, please be sure to take your travel documents and personal belongings with you prior to leaving the bus. We hope that your travel through Terminal 4 is a pleasant one, and we wish you a warm welcome to New York.